Hi. In this video, let us learn about weight. What is weight? So we know that weight is nothing but what we feel when we lift anything. Sometimes we feel it as heavy and sometimes we feel it as light. What is the difference between heavy and light? Suppose if your mother asks you to bring 1 kg of rice from the shop. So, can you bring it? Yes, it is very easy because you can carry 1 kg of rice very easily. So, you will keep it in a cover and you can bring it. But if your mother asks to go to the mill and bring 1 sack of rice. Here I am telling sack. Sack means it is nothing but which contains nearly 20 to 25 kgs of rice. So previously you brought only 1 kg. 1 is a less number, so it is very easy to carry. But here 20 to 25 kgs. Can you carry? No. Why? Because 20 or 25 kgs means it is very heavy. So in the daily life we will be seeing lot of things. Some things are light and some things are heavy. So what are the lighter objects? Suppose this is a chalk piece. So the chalk piece means it is a lighter object. Paper, a bottle, so bottle cap. So some of the things you can take them very easily and we won't feel like lifting them with much pressure. So they are the lighter things. But some of the things like if you want to move your fridge, if you want to move your television, so you need somebody's help. Why? Because you alone can't lift it because it is heavy. So the heavier objects and the lighter objects are divided according to their weight. So the objects which are heavy are called, their weight is more. So their weight is measured in terms of kilograms. Suppose if you go to the shop, some of the things, some of the provisions we buy in grams and some of the provisions we buy in kilograms. So usually your mother buy sugar, rice, dal, all these type of things we use more in number per a month. So your mother brings them in terms of kilograms. Kilograms means kgs. And some of the things we use very less in a month, like turmeric, pepper powder, we use them in a less quantity. So the quantities which we use less, we can't bring them in kgs. So if you bring in kgs, they will be wasted because we won't use much. So that type of provisions we bring in grams. So this is grams. So what is the difference between grams and kilograms? Grams means the things which are less than kilograms. So they are called grams. And the things which we bring more than grams, that is, they are kilograms. Now what is gram and kilogram? Is there any relationship between grams and kilograms? And do you know, if you want to buy gold, if you want to buy some earrings, do we use gold in terms of kgs? No, because the earrings are small in size. So the goldsmith uses the gold in terms of grams. So grams are less than kilograms. And what is the relationship between grams and kilograms? So 1 kilogram, if you want to bring 1 kg of sugar, 1 kilogram of sugar means 1 kilogram is nothing but we can call 1 kilogram as 1000 grams. Sometimes your mother asks, go and bring 1000 grams of sugar. So you should not get confused because 1000 grams means You can go to the shopkeeper and you can ask, give 1000 grams of sugar. So suppose the shopkeeper, what are you asking? 1000 grams means what is 1000 grams? He may question you. So in that case you can tell 1000 grams means it is nothing but 1 kg. Give me 1 kg of sugar. So that is the relationship between kgs and grams. Now what are the things we use to measure weight? Suppose you can estimate. Suppose if I hold this chalk piece, I can tell that the weight of this chalk piece without keeping in any balance or anywhere. I can estimate by feeling the weight. I can tell that it may be some 10 grams or 20 grams. So without calculating, you can estimate. Suppose if you lift some heavy object, so if you can estimate, I can tell that the weight of a wooden chair is nearly 5 kgs. So we can't tell exact weight, just we will estimate. By feeling we can tell the weight, that is nothing but estimation. And also we use different type of tools to measure weight. Suppose for nowadays we are using digital balances. If you go to the supermarket, we use the digital machines. So if we want 1 kg, the shopkeeper will weigh, and 1 kg means the display will be shown as 1000 grams. So 500 grams, like that, whatever weight we want, according to that he will measure and give. Before the digital balances, we used to have some common balances. That means in olden days we are not having digital machines like this. So they used to use common balance. So to use common balance, in previous days we used some weighing stones. Still now, still in some of the places, some of them they use these stones. In remote areas and villages, they use the stones. So we have some standard weighing stones to measure. Even in the timber depots, if you want any wood, so they will keep weighing stones and they will weigh how much wood we want and we give. Because in timber machines the wood is very weight, so they won't use these small weighing stones. They use the stones like 5 kgs, 10 kgs, 20 kgs, like that. The weight of the stones are more. According to the usage, the weighing stones are different in different areas. Now in previous days I said we used to use weighing stones, and the weighing stones are not all or not of equal things. That means if we want 2 kgs, we can't use only 2 kgs. So if you want 3 kgs, we can't make a 3 kg stone. So we have only some standard weights, and using that stones in different combinations, we can get whatever weight we want. The basic stones what we used are, it is 1 kg stone. 1 kg is nothing but 1 kg means 1 kilogram means it is 1000 grams stone, and 500 grams stone, 200 grams stone, 100 grams stone, and 50 grams stone. If you want turmeric or some red chilies, you won't buy them in kgs. Suppose if you want turmeric, you will go to the shopkeeper and you will ask, give me 50 grams of turmeric. Now immediately the shopkeeper will keep 50 grams stone in the common balance. So this is one type of common balance which we used in the previous days. So the shopkeeper will keep the weighing stones in one pan, and whatever we want to get, he used to keep this, and he used to hold like this, and he used to check the balance. So if both are equal, then this weight and this weight, if they are equal, then we get some 50 grams of turmeric. Suppose if you want 50 grams of turmeric, you can keep this is 100 gram stone. See this one, a small stone. So in the olden days we used to have stones like this which are made with metal. So you can observe if you go to some of the shops. So the shopkeeper will keep one stone in one pan, and he will keep what provision we want in the other pan, and he will make them balance. So here I kept some stone of 100 grams. So if I keep turmeric here, if the two pans are equal, then we tell that the weight of the turmeric the shopkeeper has given is 50 grams. So like that, this is the common balance which we used in the previous days. But now we are using digital meters. Digital meters means we will be getting a display. It is very easy. And nowadays even they are not using common balance when we go, because already they are doing packings and keeping in the supermarkets. If you want 1 kg sugar, they will keep 1 kg sugar packet. And if you want only 500 grams of sugar, so they will keep 500 grams also separately. So, and what is here 1 kg means it is 1000 grams. So, 1000 grams is less than 500 grams or greater than 500 grams? It is greater, because 1000 is greater than 500. So, what is 500 here? Suppose if you take this 1000 grams or 1 kg as one whole. As we learnt in fractions, here this whole is 1 kg. Now, what is half of 1 kg? 1 kg means what? It is nothing but 1000 grams. What is half of 1000? It is 500. So, 500 means this is 500. So, 500 means it is half. So, 500 grams is nothing but half kg. This is in terms of grams, and this 1 by 2 half is in terms of kgs. 1000 grams means we are telling it as 1 kilogram. In terms of kilograms is 1 kilogram, and in terms of grams it is 1000. And what about 500? In terms of grams, 500 means in terms of kgs, it is nothing but 1 by 2 kgs. How do you get 1 by 2 kg for 500 grams? Because if you take this one whole as 1000 grams, half of 1000 is 500. So 500 means half kg. Now coming to 1 by 4th kg. You know that 4 parts make 1 by 4th kg. 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Now suppose this is 1000 and half of 1000 is 500. Now again half of half means half of 500 is 1 by 4. So what is half of 500? It is nothing but 250. So here 1 by 4 means 250 grams. So here also 1 by 4 means 250 grams. This is also 250 grams, 250 grams. So 1 by 4 means it is 250 grams. So if you add all the 4 250s, 250, 250, 250, 250, it is nothing but 1000. 1000 means it is nothing but 1 whole or 1 kilogram. But we are not having 250 gram stone. So if you go and ask the shopkeeper to give 1 by 4th kg of sugar, he is not having 250 stone, but he is having these stones. So to give 250 grams of sugar, 250 grams or 1 by 4th kg of sugar, what will the shopkeeper do? He use 200 grams stone and 50 grams stone. So 200 grams stone and 50 grams stone is nothing but 250 grams. 250 grams in terms of kgs is 1 by 4th kg. So whatever weight we want, we can't get that type of stones. If we want 3 kgs, we can't get 3 kg stone. What will the shopkeeper do? If you want 3 kgs of sugar, he will keep 1 kg stones 3, or he will keep 2 kg stones and 1 kg stone. So I wrote only up to 1 kg, but we are having 2 kgs. But there is no 3 kg and 5 kg. So and also we are having 2 kg stone, 5 kg stone and 10 kg stone. In between 3 kgs is not there, 4 kgs is not there, 6 is not there, 7 is not there, 8, 9 are also not there. But if you want 8 kgs of sugar, what can the shopkeeper do? So he can use 5 kg stone and 2 kg stone, 7. But I want 8 kgs. So he will keep 5 kg stone, 2 kg stone and 1 kg stone. So 5 plus 2 plus 1 is 8 kgs. So we can get 8 kgs. Here we are not using 8 kg stone because we are not having 8 kg stone. But instead of 8 kgs, we are dividing 8 kgs in terms of 5 kgs, 2 kgs and 1 kg. So 5 kgs plus 1 kg plus 2 kgs. These stones are there with the shopkeeper. So if you go and ask to give 8 kgs, there is no 8 kg stone with him. Directly 8 kg stone is not there with the shopkeeper. So what he will do? He will keep 5 kg stone, 1 kg stone and 2 kg stone. So 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. So we got 8 kgs of sugar. So this is the way how the shopkeeper used different combinations to give whatever we asked. Now coming to 3 by 4th kgs. So 3 by 4th kgs means how many grams? So here 3 by 4th means 1, 2, 3. So these 3 parts make 3 by 4th kgs. So first 1 by 4th means 250 grams. This is 250 and this is 250. 250, 250, 250 how much? 750 grams. So 750 grams means it is 3 by 4th kg. But here also we are not having 750 grams stone. We are not having. So we are having only these stones. So how can the shopkeeper give if you go and ask give me 750 grams of sugar. So he is not having 750 grams of stones. Directly 750 grams stone is not available. So you are asking I want 3 by 4th kgs of sugar. So what will he do? So 3 by 4th kg means immediately the shopkeeper thinks, oh, 3 by 4th kgs means it is nothing but 750 grams. So I have to give 750 grams of sugar. How can I give 750? I can use 500 grams stone, 200 grams stone and 50 grams stone. So 500, 200 and 50. 500 plus 200 is 700 and this 50, 750. 750 grams means it is nothing but 3 by 4th kgs. So this is in terms of grams and this is in terms of kgs. So even though we won't have that many stones, the shopkeeper used different combinations to get the given weight. Now how can you find the cost of 2 kgs, 3 kgs like that? Suppose 1 kg of sugar is 20 rupees. Okay, 1 kg is 20 rupees. In the previous videos we have seen to find the cost of half kg. So half of 20 is 10 rupees. So half kg sugar is 10 rupees. Without calculating we can tell directly. In the same way, if I want 2 kgs of sugar, now you have to think 1 kg means it is 20 rupees. 2 kgs means is 2 kgs more than 1 kg or less than 1 kg? It is more than 1 kg. So obviously 1 kg sugar is 20 rupees. 2 kg sugar will be more than the 20 rupees. So 2 times you should add. 1 kg sugar is, so 1 kg sugar is 20 rupees. So 2 kg sugar means, so you can add 1 kg plus 1 kg. What is 2 kgs? 1 kg plus 1 kg makes 2 kgs. So what is the cost of 1 kg of sugar? 20 rupees. And again another 1 kg of sugar is 20 rupees. So 20 rupees and 20 rupees makes 40 rupees. So what is the cost of 2 kgs of sugar? It is 40 rupees. Because 1 kg is more than 2 kgs. So the cost of 1 kg of sugar is 20. So 2 kgs of sugar we must get more than 20 rupees. So you have to check if it is more, what we have to do. For more kgs means you can do repeated addition. What is repeated addition? Repeated addition is nothing but multiplication. So we can do this as multiplication also. How will you do it as multiplication? So 1 kg is 20 rupees. So 2 kgs means 1 kg into cost of 1 kg into how many kgs you have to find? 2 kgs. So 2 kgs sugar is 20 rupees into 2 kgs. So how much you will get? 2 2s are 4 and here we are having 1 0. Or directly you can multiply. 20 2s are. It is 40 rupees. Okay. Means here we are doing in the form of repeated addition. Repeated addition is nothing but multiplication. We can do in any of these ways. So this is finding the cost for more than 1 kg. And what is the cost of less than 1 kg? Suppose I want 500 grams of sugar. So if 1 kg is 20 rupees, 500 grams means it is nothing but half kg. So half kg cost, can it be more than 20 rupees? Can it be more than 1 kg amount? No, it should be less than 1 kg amount. Less than. So half of 1000. 1000 grams is 1 kg. So what is half of 1000? 500. Now half of 20 rupees. It is 10 rupees. So what is 10 rupees here? It is cost of half kg of sugar. See here, 1 kg is 20 rupees. So half kg must be less than 20. Half of 20, 10 rupees. Now 2 kgs means it must be more than 1 kg. Because 2 kgs means it is more than 1 kg. So 2 kgs is 40. So like that, if we know the cost of 1 kg of anything, vegetables or fruits or anything, we can find the cost of lesser kgs or more kgs. So this is about the weight. Why do we use kilograms and grams? The heavier weights are measured in kilograms and the lighter weights are measured in kilograms. And coming to the this lighter objects, the paper can be light. So you can list some of the things which are lighter and we can list some of the things which are heavier. And when we shift our house, we use some truck to carry the things. So when we carry the things, some of the things like your bag, like a plastic chair, some of the things you can lift them easily and keep it in the truck. But some of the things which are heavy, like your television, fridge and some grinders, the things which are heavy, the elder ones will keep. And some things the elder ones also can't carry. 2 or 3 they have to carry because they are too heavy. So 2 heavy things cannot be carried by only one person. So 2 or 3 they will lift and they will keep in the truck. And if you observe, we can measure the small things in this common balance and digital machines. But if you see the lorries, they carry more weight. So we don't call them that they are carrying in cages, because the lorries and trucks they carry more weight. So that they are called the lorries carrying tons of weight. So because the weight in the lorry cannot be measured in kgs, it is measured in tons. So the things which are measured in tons, can we keep on the digital machine or on the common balance? No, we can't measure tons weight on them. So the trucks, they use different weighing machines. So they use some flat surface and we will be getting them in tons. So we use different tools to measure the weights, and some without measuring we can tell the weight. In the next class we will see the conversions, how the grams are converted into kilograms and the kilograms are converted into grams. Thank you.